I think I can build a PC for $10. That's only if this works. So the other day, I bought this from the garage sale. The issue is, I'm taking the risk because it's untested. Missing a few things, CMOS, RAM. Luckily, I had that stuff at home. Let's see if it works. What's up? I got this PC for free a few months ago. I completely forgot about it. Let's put some purpose onto it and use the power supply for this build. I'm plugging the stuff. RAM sticks. Oh, there's no bent pin. We got my display adapter. Oh, and I need a CMOS battery. I need a monitor now. Well, the $5 one will do. The power supply, and let's just hope I get a picture. I won't know if this is on without a fan. I will just use this. Power button here. Wow. Oh, this is a high-end motherboard for its time. Please, 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 please. Dude. $10 motherboard CPU combo.